On the choo-choo train. We're getting rid of our tickets. Going. Choo-choo.
When it moves them, you
Starting to move. Get ready.
If it moves them, you do this. When it moves,
Okay.
you do it.
But we're going slow.
Gotta have a good engine for all of us.
It's going faster. Get the steam coming out.
So do you just stay on if you're gonna go on a ride, everybody?
Are there elves living in there?
Yeah,
Over there.
Rested.
We're going. What's at that little train station down there?
for elves.
For elves?
Maybe for elves.
This train's so quiet.
Love's out here.
It gives me fresh air.
Gives you fresh air.
Pure air to eat.
Wow, overboard.
You can see the parking lot.
The parking lot over there.
Like when we went to Sausalito and the windstorm.
Can't see. Look, what's over there?
It's getting fast.
A little train station down there.
Look at that. Wow.
It looks like it's for elves.
Look, another train station over there.
I can
What?
fit in there.
You can fit in there? In that little house. Going under the tree tunnel. Watch out. Watch your head. Oh, we're going in a tunnel. We're going in the tunnel.
I can fit in there. Here we go.
We're going in the tunnel.
Okay, that's better.
Okay, that's better. Hey, we're going on the wrong track. Oh no.
It smells like a bar.
Smells like a barn?
Smells like rotten eggs. That's
Rotten
been in
eggs?
the
We were out of it
fridge.
already.
Smells like you, Uncle Ben.
Hey.
You smell.
Like a what?
I don't want to sit next to you anymore.
Okay, get off the train. Get off the train. Get off that train. Look at that cliff.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Don't fall down. Yeah, what kind of trees? I think some are oak trees.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Oh, black oaks.
Some are oak, some are some pine, some kind of
I don't want
pine.
to fall down there. Bigfoot. Has big.
Going in another tunnel, Kamilah. Going in another tunnel. Oh no!
Okay, that's better.
That's better. Why is there a Christmas ornament over there?
Did we get something?
I want to.
Wave.
Bye. We're passing another train. Look, they have a generator. Look, we spotted an Oreo cookow. Look at the wild turkeys.
How'd you do it?
They don't let us feed the animals, but now they let you brush the goats. Can you get in there? If I carry you, how are you gonna brush them? You gotta brush them down there. We have to go around this way. Kamilah, this way. Can you fit? Can you reach? Can you fit? Uh-oh.
I don't know if I.
Okay, there you go. Brush them.
You coming on in here?
We're brushing the goats with their own fur. Smelly.
Come on, Cormac. Come on, Grandpa.
Owen, look at all the tapioca pearls. Look at the duck.
Like farts.
Smells like farts. Ugh. Look at that. We found the chickens. What's this? Oh, bunnies. Bunnies. What? Why is there nothing in these? Are these the invisible guinea pigs? Oh, here's the invisible guinea pigs. Look at them go. There's one big pig in there, just sleeping. There's actually lots of pigs. There's 2 in there. I don't know if there's baby ones as well. They leave their turds around.